Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to ClickUp Goals for OKR project management easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. Log in to your ClickUp account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, look for the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Goals section. Click on Goals to access the Goals dashboard. In the Goals dashboard, find the Create button and click on it. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to set up a new goal. Enter a descriptive name for your goal in the text field. Next, set the goal's timeframe by selecting a start and end date. Choose the visibility settings for your goal based on your team's needs. Add key results by clicking on the Add Key Result button. Enter specific metrics for each key result to track progress effectively. Once you have filled out all necessary fields, review your entries for accuracy. Click the Save button to finalize your goal creation. Your new goal will now appear in the Goals dashboard. You can edit or update your goal at any time by clicking on it. To monitor progress, return to the Goals dashboard regularly. Utilize the features within ClickUp to align your goals with your OKR project management strategy. Congratulations! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.